In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove object in GIMP. We'll use the Heal tool, which is perfect for cleaning up small distractions like dust spots, blemishes, or tiny objects that interrupt an otherwise great photo. I'll walk you through each action and share simple tips to get a clean, natural result. Start by opening your image. Go to File, then Open, and pick the photo you want to edit. Once it's on your canvas, we're ready to set up the tool that does the heavy lifting. Choose the Heal tool by going to Tools, then Paint Tools, and selecting Heal. You can also press the H key as a shortcut. The Heal tool is designed to blend textures and tones from a sampled area into the spot you paint over, which is why it tends to look more seamless than simple cloning, especially on skin, skies, or soft backgrounds. Before you paint, adjust your brush. Set the size just a bit larger than the object you want to remove. You can use the size slider in the tool options or the bracket keys on your keyboard to quickly make the brush smaller or larger. A softer brush edge usually blends better, so consider lowering hardness for smoother transitions. Keep opacity at or near 100% to fully cover small objects. Then fine-tune if you need subtler passes. Now choose a source area. Hold the Control key and click on a clean spot that looks similar in color, texture, and lighting to the area you're fixing. Sampling close to the object helps maintain natural gradients and patterns. If you're near an edge or a pattern, be thoughtful about where you sample so the result lines up. Release Control, then paint over the object. Use short, controlled strokes rather than long sweeps. If the texture looks off or you see repeating patterns, undo the stroke, sample a different nearby spot with Control-click, and try again. This resampling keeps the result from looking copied and helps the Heal blend invisibly. Repeat as needed. For tricky areas, zoom in for precision and resample frequently as you work across different tones or textures. A few careful passes are better than one heavy stroke, especially along edges or gradients. When you're happy with the result, save your work. Go to File, then Export As. Choose your preferred format. Give the file a new name if you'd like to keep the original, and click Save. That's it. Your small object is gone, and your image looks clean and natural.